In this video, we will show you how to assemble your Greenworks Dethatcher Scarifier. This video features our 13 amp model, however, it can also be followed for our 40 volt unit. Be advised your unit may look different, however, these instructions still apply. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Let's get started. Unpacking. Cut the tape and open the box. Remove the manual along with the packing material and any loose, unassembled parts. Carefully lift the unit out of the box and set it down. Inspect the unit and its parts to confirm that no damage has occurred. Keep the box and packing material until you have used the product. Installing the lower handle arms. Starting on one side, attach the handle holders to the side of the machine. Position the handle arms and insert the bolts through the holder. Turn the handle knobs clockwise to lock the lower handle arm in place. There are 3 positions that the handle can be locked in, depending on user height. Refer to the markings on the handle base. Repeat on the opposite side and ensure that both arms are secured at the same height. Installing the middle and upper handles. Before installing the middle handle, position the cord retainer so that it is on the crossbar. Position the middle handle so its holes line up with the holes in the lower handle arm. Insert the supplied carriage bolts through the holes. Thread the knobs onto the carriage bolts and tighten both sides. Repeat this process to secure the upper handle to the middle handle. Secure the cable. The Allen key that came with the unit can be stored in the clip. Assembling and installing the grass catcher bag. There are clips on the bag that must be fastened to the frame before you can install it to the unit. Once the bag has been assembled, lift the rear discharge door and hold it open. Hold the grass catcher by its handle and place the hooks into the slots. Close the rear discharge door to secure the bag. We recommend emptying the bag after each use. To remove the bag, lift the rear discharge door and unhook the bag. Keep hands and feet away from the cylinder and discharge area. Check that there are no people, pets, or loose objects nearby. Thrown objects can ricochet and result in personal injury or property damage. Wear gloves and eye protection when operating. Protective clothing and boots are also recommended. Your machine may be corded or battery operated. Before starting this product, the power source must be connected. If using a corded model, be sure to utilize the cord retainer on the middle handle arms. This is intended to secure the extension cord and prevent it from becoming disconnected while in use. Fold your extension cord to form a tight loop and feed this through the hole on the retainer. Slide the loop over the cord retaining hook and pull until the cord is secured. The safety switch is on the right-hand side of the handle. It must be fully depressed before the motor can be started. The bail lever is in front of the upper handle. Press and hold the safety switch button. While holding the safety switch button, pull the bail. To stop the unit, release the bail lever. The machine can be set to different working depths using the depth adjustment lever. Pull the depth adjustment lever forwards to increase the working depth. Pull the depth adjustment lever backwards to decrease the working depth. The Scarifier machine is intended for private use in home and garden environments. The included blade cylinder is designed to rip moss, weeds, and their root systems out of the soil while also loosening the soil to promote better lawn growth. This machine can be easily converted to a lawn dethatcher in just a few steps using the additional included tine cylinder. Disconnect the power source. Turn the machine onto its side and expose the blade cylinder, or place the unit on its back and adjust the handles to allow it to rest. Loosen the screw using the supplied Allen key to release the lock bar. Open the lock bar. Push the cylinder towards the housing to free the opposite end of the cylinder. Remove the cylinder. Place a new cylinder or your other attachment onto the housing. Ensure the cylinder has been properly engaged. Put the lock handle down and retighten the screw to secure the cylinder. Mow your lawn prior to use. Your grass should not be more than approximately 2 inches. While operating, move forward at a slow and steady pace. Never pull the unit backward. If you need to pull the unit backwards, be sure to tilt it back onto the wheels first. If the unit is hard to push, there may be an object obstructing the tines. Disconnect the power source and check for debris that may be interfering with the movement. Let the unit rest for 1 minute, then start it up again. The best time to dethatch your lawn is when it is actively growing and the soil is not overly moist. For cool season grasses, that's early spring, or early fall. For warm season grasses, dethatch in the late spring through early summer. Ensure the tines are sharp. After use, disconnect the power source. Using a damp cloth, wipe down the unit. Over time, grass can build up and affect the performance of the machine. Examine the machine for damage, missing, or loose parts such as screws, nuts, bolts, and knobs. Be sure to replace and/or tighten all necessary parts prior to your next use. When not in use, the unit should be stored indoors in a dry, locked location, out of the reach of children. For videos on how to maintain and operate your Dethatcher Scarifier, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your GreenWorks product will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.